Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the SanDisk Ultra Shift pendrive, which is 32 GB, which I purchased, and we are also going to do the speed test comparison. And it looks very closely similar to this blade pendrive, guys. And let me just show you the price, whereas you can get this for a discounted price. Check out the link in the description of this particular video, guys, to buy it from Amazon. And let me just open it and show you how it feels, guys. And this is like typical SanDisk packing which you get it, and it is all black. The one of the features of this particular pen drive is that it is USB 3.0. And if you like this kind of videos, guys, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not to forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. So as you can see, guys, the build quality, which I quite didn't like it, because once you press it, it kind of flexing, and it looks quite decent, guys. In my means, if you have used a blade pen drive, then this is nothing but blade 2.0. And it comes with 32 GB, and it is very affordable. I just got this for about 340 rupees or something, and you all can check out the link in the description, which is very closely resembling to my blade pen drive, which is almost 10 years ago. And from my perspective, guys, I feel like this is going to hold in the future as well, because although it is made from plastic, guys, it is a sturdy plastic, I would say, and it is a bit flexible. But in my case, guys, I've been using the red pen drive for about 10 years, and I had no issues with it. I never broke any pen drive in my life. And as you can see, guys, this is very similar, I would say. And I'll be doing a speed test of this, and also be going to compare the blade pen drive maybe in the next video. So stay tuned, and you all can subscribe to this particular channel. And we have a lanyard hold, which the help of which you all can put some strings on lanyard. I don't know why somebody would like to do it. And as you can see, guys, this is very compact pen drive also. And if you are thinking of using this particular pen drive for transferring files, it's a very good idea. And but I don't know how durable it would be in day-to-day life. So let me just quickly connect this to my computer, and I'm using the crystal disk mark for doing the test. And without the speed test, guys, the test unboxing is useless. So you get this particular SanDisk programs, with the help of which you can lock and encrypt and whatnot. So I won't be going in details with this. Let me just directly start with the speed test, guys. So I've already started with the speed test, and I just want to see, guys, whether it is worth buying SanDisk in 2022. And this is a very fresh, newly launched pen drive, which is the Ultra Shift. And I had no issues with the SanDisk. In fact, SanDisk is one of the fastest pen drive in my test, but I'm still yet to compare with some major brand like Samsung or any other one. Let me know in the comments below, guys, which pen drive you all are using, and if you all want to see a comparison, detailed comparison, speed test, etc., with the blade, the previous version of this, which is USB 2. And we can maybe in the next video have a comparison with the speed test for these two particular pen drives. As you can see, guys, the read speed is quite good, decent, I would say. It is around 33 mbps, but we'll still wait for the right speed of this. And SanDisk pen drives, guys, one of the features which I really like, it is very easy to claim the warranty, etc., just in case if your pen drive is not getting formatted and all. So that is one of the reason, that is a trust factor for which I recommend SanDisk over other pen drives. Even some brands like HP and all, where the speed is extremely slow, but they are still reliable, guys. In fact, even Strontium is a very good brand in my opinion. But since we are doing the unboxing of this, let us just talk about the USB 3.0. So I have connected this particular pen drive to my USB 3.2, the type A, and I've not connected it to maybe something like type C or something, because there's no point, because most of the people will be either using this with their television, computers, or maybe in the car. So in that case, it does not make sense for me to compare it. Also, I've done the speed test only on the Windows laptop. Let me know in the comments below if you all want me to see doing a comparison on a Mac, because most of the Mac users are using type C connector, including me. I'm using the dual drive Lux, and for a simple reason, guys, that nowadays Macs don't come. Only for the Pro version you get that USB-A, whereas most of the MacBook, the entry level at least, they are getting all Type-C connector. So this is pretty impressive, guys. In my case, I feel it is almost 20 Mbps write speed, but it is slow, I would say. For a maybe if I would have connected to something like Thunderbolt, we might have got better speed in, I think so. And I think most of the people are going to simply use this with the computer, so this is approximately the speed they are going to come across. And even the read speed of 34 Mbps is quite impressive, but on the box it was saying 100 Mbps, guys, because I think we have not connected to maybe like something like Thunderbolt 4 or something, or USB 4. So in this case you just have to connect an OTG connector. And yes, guys, I just tested this with my Android phone, and you can use an OTG connector and use this particular pen drive with your Android phone to copy file across the phone and the pen drive, and then vice versa, and it works brilliantly even on the phone, guys. Let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using, so that at least I can arrange a speed test if possible for in the future and all. So let me know your thoughts on this, and let us just wait till this speed test is going to get over, because I've just fast forwarded this to 150x, and because it is quite boring and it gets like about 6 minutes to do a speed test, guys. So I know, and if you all are thinking of buying this particular pen drive, guys, it's a great deal, because for 340 approximately, this is available for on various sites like Amazon, Flipkart and all. You all can definitely go, and you are getting a 32GB variant with this. The 32GB is more than enough, guys, just in case if you are copying some minor files and all. And I feel the data speed also is impressive, that it is 34 read and 20 Mbps for write. And it's I would say this is paced somewhat to a normal user using it for every day, but the build quality is questionable since it is not metallic. You can even go with the Lux pen drives, guys, and those are made from metal, and they are much more faster also. I know they get heated. By the way, this pen drive is not getting heated at all. Only thing, the issue which I have is this flex issue, which I don't know how this will survive in case if I drop this particular pen drive and all, guys. And this is it for the review, guys. Even the read write speed is impressive. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think about this particular topic and which pen drive you all want me to compare. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.